Hi, I'm Rob Reeves, VS Sassoon Stylist, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily achieve salon looks at home. These are quick and easy steps to create beautiful hair so you can love your own individual style. Using VS Sassoon hair rollers is a great way to enhance your volume and add soft curls. This quick and easy technique will allow you to create salon-worthy styles at home. Preheat your rollers according to the instructions until they are at full heat. Working front to back, take sections approximately the width and depth of the roller. Hold the roller at the end of the section and roll towards the head. Use the clip or pin supplied to secure the roller into place. Repeat until all the hair is rolled up. Allow the rollers to cool, then remove them. The cooler the hair is when rollers are removed, the longer your volume and curls will last. That's how to create soft curls and add volume with VS Sassoon hair rollers. Love your style and easily create salon looks at home with VS Sassoon. For more tutorials and product details, search VS Sassoon. Make sure you like this video and subscribe below.